Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a size chart to Shopify product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. And that is easy. Now what you need to do is simply head over to this search bar and search in here for size chart. Once you do that, you will be heading over to your app store, and here you have your different size chart recommender. So install this one, and once you do, you will be able to get your size chart done. You can see simple and clean size charts. Kiwi size charts are clean and are customizable to fit your brand and all that. So that's how easily you are able to incorporate size charts to product pages, and I hope this is going to be helping. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you guys around in the next video. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.